Today we're going to review the transaction to create warehouse bins. This is used if you're a warehouse managed facility and you want to add a storage bin from your to your warehouse. Let's get started. The transaction to do this is LS01N. Okay, and there's a few elements we'll have to enter for the bin creation. Your warehouse will automatically default in based on your user parameter LGN for your default warehouse. Um, Next, you'll be asked to put in a storage type. If you're managing finished product, chances are you're putting it into the main store location. If you're IC, you have several storage types that were created. Each of them are building specific. So based on your building, um, you can select the storage type that you want to enter the bin in. Each bin is storage type specific. So technically, although we don't have storage bins in a plant that have the same name across departments, you could do that if needed. Okay. In my case, I'm going to create a finished product location. So I'm going to select storage type 1. Your bin name is basically your bin name. So if I wanted to call this 98765, you can do any combination of letters and numbers. And I think the longest length is 8 digits. Okay? After you do that, it's going to determine, based on your storage type, the needs for the other data elements. All storage bins require a storage section. The storage section is normally broken up based on your department, and for finished product based on the building. If you pull down on the storage section selection criteria, it'll give you the storage sections for that storage type and warehouse. Okay, so you can select the one that applies. And for finished product, total capacity is required. For IC, it is not. Total capacity is basically we manage our capacities for our bins. So from a capacity perspective, each pallet of product is equal to 100% bin capacity. So if I had a location that was going to hold 5 pallets, I could make this simply 500. If it was 1 pallet, it's 100. So that's how that works. So you set the pallet capacity. I'll set this one for 600. Okay, and then I hit save. Okay, and you'll see that the message at the bottom will be that your bin has been created. That bin is now eligible to be used. Just as a footnote, you can use LSO2N to change the bin. So if you have to increase capacity, if you need to change the storage section, you can go ahead and do that. Within change, you can also delete storage bins, but you must empty all the stock out of the storage bin. Okay, you have to empty out the storage bin first before you delete it. And then also 2N, somewhere up here, has a trash can. You can simply delete that by selecting the trash can. If you have any questions, contact support at pcf.com. Thank you.